Trusts serve as vital tools in estate planning, offering a myriad of benefits tailored to the specific needs of individuals and families. They can help manage assets, protect wealth, and ensure that one's wishes are honored after death. Understanding the various types of trusts is essential for anyone looking to secure their financial future and provide for loved ones in a thoughtful manner. A revocable trust, often referred to as a living trust, is one of the most flexible options available. This type of trust allows the grantor or creator to retain control over the assets during their lifetime. The grantor can modify or even revoke the trust entirely if their circumstances change or if they simply wish to alter their estate plan. One of the primary advantages of a revocable trust is its ability to bypass the often lengthy and costly probate process, enabling assets to be transferred smoothly to beneficiaries upon the grantor's death. However, while this trust offers flexibility, it does not provide asset protection from creditors, which is a consideration for those concerned about potential financial liabilities. In contrast, an irrevocable trust cannot be changed or revoked once it is established. This type of trust offers significant advantages, particularly in terms of asset protection. By transferring assets into an irrevocable trust, the grantor effectively removes those assets from their personal estate, which can shield them from creditors and legal claims. This feature makes irrevocable trusts particularly useful for estate tax planning and can also help individuals qualify for Medicaid benefits by reducing the value of their estate. While the loss of control may be daunting for some, the financial protection and potential tax benefits often outweigh this concern. Testamentary trusts are another important category, created through a will and activated only upon the grantor's death. These trusts are designed to control how assets are distributed to beneficiaries, allowing the grantor to set specific terms and conditions. However, since testamentary trusts are part of the will, they are subject to the probate process, which can complicate and delay the distribution of assets. This type of trust is particularly useful for individuals who want to ensure that their beneficiaries receive their inheritance in a structured manner, especially if the beneficiaries are minors or may not be financially responsible. For those looking to give back, charitable trusts offer a way to support causes while potentially gaining tax advantages. Charitable remainder trusts, CRTs, allow the grantor to receive income for a specified period, after which the remaining assets are donated to a charitable organization. This structure not only benefits the charity, but also provides the grantor with an income stream and potential tax deductions. Conversely, charitable lead trusts, CLTs, donate income to charity for a set period before passing the remainder to beneficiaries, allowing the grantor to support a cause while also preserving wealth for heirs. Special needs trusts, SNTs, play a critical role for families with individuals who have disabilities. These trusts are designed to maintain eligibility for government benefits, such as Medicaid and Supplemental Security Income, SSI. By setting aside funds for supplementary expenses, such as medical care, education, and personal needs, families can ensure that their loved ones are cared for without jeopardizing their access to essential benefits. Spendthrift trusts are particularly beneficial for beneficiaries who may struggle with financial management. By limiting a beneficiary's access to the trust funds, these trusts protect the assets from being squandered or claimed by creditors. This type of trust is often established for individuals who have a history of financial irresponsibility, ensuring that they receive support while preventing them from mismanaging their inheritance. Asset protection trusts are designed to shield assets from creditors and legal claims, making them a popular choice for high-net-worth individuals. Typically established in jurisdictions with strong asset protection laws, these trusts can provide a layer of security against lawsuits and financial liabilities, ensuring that the grantor's wealth is preserved for future generations. The Grantor Retained Annuity Trust, GAR-AT, offers a strategic way to transfer wealth while minimizing estate taxes. The grantor can transfer assets into the trust and receive annuity payments for a specified period. If structured correctly, this arrangement can significantly reduce the taxable value of the estate, allowing for more efficient wealth transfer to heirs. Family trusts, often referred to as dynasty trusts, are designed to pass wealth through multiple generations. These trusts help avoid estate taxes and preserve family assets, ensuring that wealth is maintained within the family. Typically set up as irrevocable trusts, they provide a long-term strategy for wealth management and protection. Q-tip trusts, qualified terminable interest property trusts, serve a unique purpose in estate planning, especially for individuals with children from previous marriages. By providing income to a surviving spouse while preserving the principal for other beneficiaries, these trusts ensure that the grantor's wishes are honored, balancing the needs of the current spouse with the interests of children from earlier relationships. Marital trusts, including A trusts, survivor's trust, and B trusts, bypass trusts, are essential for couples looking to maximize estate tax exemptions and provide for one another. The A trust allows the surviving spouse full access to the trust's assets, while the B trust preserves estate tax exemptions for heirs, ensuring that the family's wealth is effectively managed and transferred. Lastly, irrevocable life insurance trusts, ILITs, play a crucial role in estate planning by holding life insurance policies outside the estate. This structure reduces estate taxes by excluding the policy's value from the taxable estate, providing liquidity to cover estate taxes, and ensuring that beneficiaries receive the intended benefits without the burden of tax implications. In conclusion, trusts are versatile instruments that cater to a wide range of financial and familial needs. Each type of trust serves a specific purpose, whether it's providing flexibility, protecting assets, supporting charitable causes, or ensuring responsible asset distribution. Understanding these various trusts can empower individuals to make informed decisions about their estate planning, ultimately securing their legacy and providing for their loved ones in a meaningful way.